All right, students, welcome to week 2. Here is your screencast for the week, just in case you are having a little trouble figuring out how to do these assignments. So here it is. This is what you should see when you open up the assignment for this week. And I'm going to go back real quick. The assignment will be called Plumbing Introduction. And watch this right now. I'm going to put in there week number 2, Plumbing Introduction. So it will look like that now. And as with last week, I'm going to ask that you fill out these assignments in the order that you see them. So this week we get to learn a little bit more about plumbing. I have my friend Jeff, who is a plumber in town, that I went around and got to videotape him actually doing some real work. So in the plumbing field trip and the plumbing interview questions that you see here, that will be actually me interviewing and being with my friend Jeff doing an actual job in Santa Barbara area. Actually a really cool view from up on the Riviera. So check those out, but we want to do them in order. So first, you're going to just, kind of like last week, let us know what you already know, what you wonder. And then there's going to be a learning section where you actually read a little article about plumbers and what they do and how much they make, what kind of job skills they need, what kind of education and things like that. So 1, 2, and 3, if you were to get these done on your first day of class, that's what I would like to see. I'm hoping to get you guys more on task with that. I saw last week a lot of you guys not starting this stuff until later on in the week. So I'm hoping that on day 1, so for periods 1, 3, and 5, I want to see you guys complete these 3 assignments on that first day. And then, so that's on Monday, and then for 2, 4, and 6 on Tuesday. And then I want to see you complete the last 2 on either Wednesday for 1, 3, 5, or Thursday for 2, 4, 6. Okay? So this will have another video of my friend Jeff right here, plumbing interviews question. And then this last one, how does a toilet work? It's just a video, real short, 1.5 minutes, that gives you the basics of how a toilet actually works. And then the trickiest part, and this is where I want you to really pay attention, is I'm actually going to have you go look at your own toilet and see if you can understand everything that you've learned so far about that specific item of plumbing. So the last thing you'll do is take a picture of the inside of your toilet and see if you can identify the different parts of it. So my hope is that you'll end up with a picture, something like what I've done here, where I took this picture off the internet actually, but I've labeled all the different parts. So wheels, and I got my arrow to it, grip tape, arrow, deck, arrow. Okay, so you get the idea. So yours though will be a toilet tank, and you'll identify the parts that you will have learned through this week's lessons. Okay? If for some reason you're way more interested in some other item of plumbing, maybe a kitchen sink, a shower, something like that, feel free to exchange this right here for your own picture and labels of another item in your house, or if you wanted to do a video, that is also possible for this. So if you want to do a video and send that in with an explanation of what you learned about a specific plumbing item, either utilizing water or gas, that would be great. Okay, so I hope that this format works a little better. I'm going to try it without using Edpuzzles this time around, and I hope that helps. So thank you to everybody, and if you ever need to re-reference this, go ahead and do that. All right, take care.